Herr Vermin?
Yes, quite. The Munich Pact and all that. Peace in our time, but let's not be too hasty. Let's hedge our bets, what? After all, the Mexican Railroad has. They don't mean to be taken by surprise. Just take a look at their newest timetable, at the fine print. Corpses must be transported by express. Each of these express corpses must be accompanied by a first-class passenger. Now, let's suppose the city fails, and it's bloody Armageddon. Just think of it. Railway center making a fortune.
You're right.
But just think of it.
Yes.
All those bloody corpses, each holding their first-class ticket.
Absolutely.
One Day of the Dead won't be enough. Month. Decade. Age of the Dead, more like it. The whole world will learn to laugh at the sight of stinking cadavers. Bloody ha. Oh, God. Express trains will be booked up years in advance. Corpses hand in hand with bloody first-class ticket holders standing in lines for miles waiting for transport. Ladies and gentlemen of the Red Cross, you have your bloody work cut out for you. Arranging storage for this bumper crop of dancing carcasses. Build special depots. Stack them in layers or cut them in pieces, chop them up, and stash them in sacks, and paint red crosses on them.
Throw away your mind. It is sad to spend your life in such continual tragedies.
It's not in the times, of course, but in the heart.
No se puede vivir sin amar.
No se puede vivir sin amar.